Transistor is an electronic component built by three layers of P-type and N-type semiconductor material. The transistor controls the flow of current between two terminal collector and emitter using third terminal, which is called base.
I want to identify the terminal of the transistor reading 140. So I identify the right terminal is a base. I put negative and I put the positive at the middle terminals and the left terminal. So two terminal have the value. So this resistor is PNP and the right terminal is the base. Change the range to 10K and I put the negative at the middle and the positive at the left. So the value is infinity. So the middle terminal is collector. So I change the probe and put the positive at the middle and negative at the left terminal. So have the value. So the left terminal is a emitter.
Right now, I will identify the transistor 2N222. First thing first, I will check the base. Before that, we need to set the range at times 10. Right. I assume my base here. If I touch here and here, the value at the multimeter is same. So that this is my base. Since the base is positive, the transistor is in NPN. Right now, I will check the collector. I assume my collector is here. Now, before that, we need to change the range at the times 10K. I assume my collector here. Okay, this is my collector because the value at the multimeter is infinity, right? And here my emitter because the value below than collector. That's all from me.
So now I'm going to identify the BC109 transistor terminal. So for the base, I assume the middle terminal is my base. I put red probe here and the black probe to the other terminal. So for the other terminal, it should have the same value. So this is my base. Since my base is red probe, my transistor is NPN. So now I'm going to check the collector and emitter. Make sure the range is 10K. So I assume my right terminal is collector. I put the red probe here and my black probe to the other one. The result should be infinity. So at the multimeter, the result is infinity. This is my collector. For emitter, the result should be less than collector. I put the red probe here and the black probe to my right terminal. So the reading is less than infinity. So this is my emitter.
Okay, now I want to check the terminal of transistor DD136. Okay, first thing first, change the range to 10 ohm. So I assume this terminal is the base. Now I put the black probe to here and red probe to here. The carriage, the multimeter is reading. Okay, now the red probe and here is the same reading. So that means this terminal is base. So that means this type of transistor is PNP. Okay, next I will detect the terminal of collector and emitter. First thing first, I will change the range to times 10K. Okay, now I will put the black probe to the middle terminal and the red probe to the right terminal. So we can see the value is infinity. That means the middle terminal is a collector because the collector terminal is a higher value than emitter. Next, for make sure that is true, I will put the black probe to the right terminal and the red probe to the middle. As we can see, the multimeter is reading. So that means the right terminal is the emitter.